If you've got piles of paper bills, letters, or receipts lying around that you need to keep copies of, scanning them with your iPhone is one of the quickest ways to get organized. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to scan and save documents so that they stay neat and easy to find. And at the end, I'll share a quick tip that lets you jump straight to the scanner without even opening an app. To scan on an iPhone, you don't need any special software. Just open the built-in Files app on your iPhone and navigate to the file location you'd like to save the scan to. Then, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right. From the menu, select Scan Documents. The camera will automatically open, ready to detect the edges of your paper. Position your paper on a flat, well-lit surface. The iPhone usually starts capturing the scan automatically. However, if you'd like to press the shutter button yourself, you can tap in the top right. After each scan, you can adjust the corners so the page looks clean and square. You can scan up to 24 pages. When you're done, tap Save, and the scanned pages will be saved as a PDF. Here's where most people skip an important step. Be sure to rename the file right away with a clear, consistent file name format. Doing this from the start keeps your documents organized and easy to find later. You can also do further organizing if you need to. Move the file to another location, or share it with another person or to another device. It's best to save scans into a folder structure that groups similar documents together, so you can easily find your files later. This one habit, scanning, naming, and saving each document in the right place, can completely change how you manage your household paperwork. If you don't have to keep paper copies, instead of stacks of paper, you can store digital copies, which are searchable, easy to back up, and don't take up physical space. To make sure you don't lose anything important, aim to keep at least 2 digital copies of each important document and store each of those copies separately. For example, you might scan a file to your iCloud drive and then put a copy on an external hard drive. Scanning is a great first step towards a calmer, more organized home document system. Lastly, here's that quick shortcut I mentioned earlier. To get scanning more quickly, on your iPhone's home screen, just long press the Files app icon. From the pop-up menu, choose Scan Documents, and it'll open straight into the scanner. It's the fastest way to capture something directly to the last file location you used. If you'd like some further information about how this can fit into a complete home document system, check out the link for the free info sheet I've left in the description. Also, be sure to check out my step-by-step course on getting household documents fully organized. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider subscribing for more simple ways to keep your household files under control.